righteous rejoice. It's fire on let the righteous rejoice. Let the righteous rejoice. It's fire on the rise, elevating the noise. Let the righteous rejoice. It's fire on the rise, elevating the noise. From the underground will rise. Let the righteous rejoice. It's fire on the rise, elevating the noise. Let the righteous rejoice. It's fire on the rise, elevating the noise. From the underground will rise with the mission so clear, to bring the balance back, eliminate the fear. The realness in the rhymes, what the heads want to hear. Fire's burning through the shadows, let the message adhere. They won't silence the truth, not while I breathe. I'll keep spitting flames till the masses believe. In a world full of darkness, I'm the spark you need. It's fire in your heart, planting revolutionary seeds. They glorifying violence while shattering dreams, drowning out the purity with sinister schemes. It's fire bringing light to the scene, exposing the facade of this lyrical machine. So let the truth be told, let the fire blaze, reclaim the narrative, dismantle the maze. It's fire on the mic in the lyrical craze, spitting flames of redemption in these perilous days.